Hola, hi, Martes Mahuji, Banjua, especially my heart, soul, pranasamas, hasya, as well as condolencia, Asya, Madhvi Hidma and his wife, Rajaka, Chhattisgarh, Bastar region, Naxalism couples. They both were made for each other as wife and husband, as a great immortalized couples, auspicioso divinism couples in the matter of tribals justice, and also they were made for each other in the pyre, one deathbed pyre. Also, they lost their wife and husband together, lost their lives on in one pyre. It's a great auspicious like Lord Shiva and Parvati, and as a great soulful, loveful couples. This kind of wife and husband couples, I haven't seen this kind of couples who has fought for justice, tribals justice for the 5th scheduled constitution, and I haven't seen as for today this kind of couples, wife and couples who had fought for justice of tribals, and they both went out of their way to put the tribals out of their misery, slough of despondence, despair, desolation, and they both had striven against the corruption of capitalism in the justice of tribals, Bastar region, and their auspicious, divine, loveful fought for the justice of tribals, happiness, safe till the end of their life, and until melting their soul, their both wife and husband, as wife and husband soul into deathbed pyre. It's nice, great couples. I am feeling great, I am feeling awesome, bro. So because I am presenting, bestowing this their great warrior couples, they both